some people like to do everything in a perfect way. So personally, that was the case for me, and sometimes it's still the case. But because I believe perfection doesn't exist, I can just go for excellence. So I don't try to be, to do anything in a perfect way. But the problem with perfectionism is because when you're gonna work on this thing, because you don't know if it's gonna work, you don't know if you're going to be good at it, you don't know how long it's gonna take, you will be tempted to say, oh, well, why bother, I'm not gonna do a good job anyway, so why would I even start? And so you don't even go for it. You just abandon from the beginning, because for you it won't be good enough, so no need to try. And the fear here, the fear is actually ingrained in that perfectionism, because actually you don't want to execute something and then be disappointed. You don't want, you have the fear of disappointment, and so you use the excuse of perfectionism, or I won't even try, I won't even start, I won't even begin, because it won't be as good as I want. That's a good excuse to not face the reality of you sucking, or of you having to make some effort to find time, or of you having to be very patient, or of you not knowing if things are going to work. And so you use the perfectionism excuse, so you don't have to face all that, and you're good. Yes, so if that project is really important for you, you need to start. You need to be okay with the results, because you're not going to be perfect from the beginning, you're not going to be excellent from the beginning, but you can start and then learn and improve over time and become excellent at what you do. But that won't happen if you don't start. Just do it, just start.